Good morning, students. So today we have started our exercises of Minu and Dino. But before that, I have explained you a bit about the chapter, which I am not going to do again in this video. But I am going to one thing which I am going to do it again for you was explaining you about the difference between the endangered animals and the extinct animals. See what happens when the animals are about to extinct. That means they are at alarming stage. If you are not be careful about towards them, then they could be extinct. Then that type of animals are called endangered animals. If you want to have a definition of endangered animals in one line, that could be animals who are in danger of becoming extinct are known as endangered animals, and animals that have disappeared from the earth long ago are called extinct animals. So some of the examples of both these types of animals are, so if we are talking about endangered animals, then our example will be tiger or elephant. Lots of more species of animals are there, and extinct animals we could consider in extinct animals, as we have read in the chapter, is dodo and the dinosaur itself. So this is your extinct animal. Now what happens that we got to know that Minu wants to help. Now she's first you got to know that she is very curious to know about the dinosaur and its family, and then she realized that when she realized that they are no more on this earth, she felt very pity on them, and she really wanted to help the dinosaur, which was not possible because that was an extinct species of animal. So the dino explained to Minu that she could help animals if she really want to help and want to do something for the animals. She could do that by helping or protecting the endangered animals species like tiger, elephants. So now we are going to start the exercises, that is from C3. As you can see, it is a fill in the blanks. You can see there are several words given you in the earbox, and we have to fill that words from in the given blanks in the exercises. So in number 1, you can see minute, it will disappear. So in number 1, you can see Minu went to a museum. It is written over here. So in first blank you are going to write museum, museum, museum. Now the next one is she saw a dinosaur. It is written over here. Now animals who are in danger of becoming extinct are known as, I have just before a minute I explained you, they are your endangered animals. So write down here. And number 3, endangered animals. Number 4, animals that have disappeared from the earth are known as extinct animal. It is written over here. So in number 4, the blank space will be filled by the word extinct. In number 5, what is this? This we have to mention the examples of extinct animals. So you can have the words from the 8 box. So you have read about, we have to fill extinct animal. So we have read about the extinct animals in the chapter as dinosaur and dodo. So write down the blank spaces will be filled by dodo and dinosaur. And the last one is dash and dash are 2 endangered animals. They are tiger and elephant. So in this way we are going to have the exercise of this page. After that we'll have to do the question answer, which we are going to do it on tomorrow online class. But I think I have done one, so I'm going to give you the answer of number 1, C4. Number 1, what did Minu get scared of? As I have explained you in the chapter, that Minu was observing the glass boxes in which different types of species of animals and different costumes and clothes have been kept. And when she came just near about the box in which the dinosaur was kept, the dinosaur started speaking. This made Minu very scared and afraid of that box. So you are going to write the answer that Minu got scared. It's not you are going to write here get, but you will write here got. Minu got scared of the dinosaur kept in the glass box. or you can write Meenu got scared of because the dinosaur kept in the glass box had started speaking. Now, the next questions are going to be discussed in my next class on tomorrow. So, till now, your assignment will be to do it C3 in your English copy. So, stay fit, beta.